What up, y'all? Let's go ahead and get it started. Firstly, welcome to the server. Welcome to the channel. We about to turn up in here. I'm gonna show you guys how it is that you need to be transferring crypto in and out of your wallet effortlessly. It's gonna be real smooth and simple. Just follow along with me. It's not too techy. It's actually common sense. Once you actually sit down and read the screen, that's all it is. It's all it takes. It's a little bit of dedication, and I'm gonna show you all the steps right here. First thing you want to do now. Back it up just a little second. On your MetaMask wallet in your phone, it's a little bit different from the desktop. So in your phone, what you'll do is when you go to the home screen on your MetaMask, it'll show you all the tokens you got, this, that, and the other. At the very bottom, it'll give you 5 different emblems that you can click on where it show like your transactions, this, that, and the other. I want you to hit the compass looking thing that is your Safari on your MetaMask. That way you can just surf the web through MetaMask and it'll make a lot of things a lot easy. Only thing different from the computer is you have to have the extension of MetaMask connected to your computer for you to use the application on the computer. So what you'll have to type in is app.uniswap.org. App like app.uniswap.org. Hit that, boom, either on your phone, on a computer, doesn't matter, and you will want to go ahead and connect your wallet. Now, for the purposes of keeping my wallet a little bit secure, I don't need y'all to know exactly how much money I'm floating around up in the markets like that, you feel me? So, I'm not going to connect mine, and I don't need to, just to show everything off to you. So, first thing, of course, I already showed you how it is you need to be buying crypto in the last video. If you'd watch my other video about the MetaMask tutorial setting up, you should already have some Ethereum in your wallet. If not, go back to that video, previous video, please watch it all the way through. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and buy you some Ethereum. It'll show you exactly what it is you need to be doing to do so. So in this scenario, let's say I already have Ethereum, I'm not connected. And what I like to do, especially is to hit this right here, right at the bottom. It'll change this to the dollar sign and it'll change it to a dollar amount instead of me putting numbers in and it's counting it as Ethereum. So if I put 1 right here, you'll see 1 Ethereum is worth 4,000. $4,767 and a penny. But if I flip it, it'll just give you the dollar amount of 1 Ethereum. It'll say that's 1 Ethereum right here. So boom. Let's say, just for the sakes of purposes of the last video, that $100 that you bought Ethereum, plus you already use a little bit of that money for the fees. Let's say you got like $95 left over and you want to switch about $80 over into another token. For this sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use Pepe. It's going to be the king meme coin. I'm stamping it, king meme coin of the cycle. I'm not the only one saying it, so it's not like I'm the first one to say this, but it is going to be 100%. Get out of here. So the thing is, you'll need to find Pepe. If you just get up here on Uniswap, hit select token, and you type in Pepe, P-E-P-E, you'll see a bunch of different Pepes pop up, right? A bunch of them. And we don't need all of them. We just need the correct one. So what it is I like to do is I like to go to coinmarketcap.com. Coinmarketcap.com. And it'll pretty much show you all the cryptocurrencies in the world, essentially. Not exactly all of them, but most of them. And you can get up here, hit search, and you can type in Pepe, and it'll bring you to the correct one, essentially. And it is number 31 in all of crypto. How many crypto is it up here, man? It don't show on this page. It's like 2 million cryptos out there in the world, and this is within the top 31. So legit. So you'll click it, boom, you'll come down to where it says contracts, because you'll need to copy this contract address, copy it to the clipboard, then you'll come back over here to Uniswap and you'll paste it instead. Boom. And it'll take you to the exact right one. So you're gonna click it. I do this with every single crypto project. I go and copy the contract address because it is the 100% most secure way of knowing that you got the right token. You want to get there, you don't want to be out here buying some fakes, giving some other people your money. So That's pretty much what you'll do. And you're selling your Ethereum into Pepe, and you'll just hit start. You know, it'll try. I think it's gonna try to connect me. Yeah, so I can't connect my wallet or whatnot. But you'll see down here what your fees and everything will be by the end of the transaction. 20-cent fees, and the network cost is not showing right now because I'm not connected. But 20 cents plus a little bit, like $1 or something, network cost. That's why you always tell you to go ahead and buy some Ethereum first, so you can already have the Ethereum to pay for your fees and network costs when you're transferring your tokens. Pretty simple. Next thing I want to show you guys is how it is that you can be sending your tokens back and forth. And trust me, if you put some money in the Pepe go up, you want to switch it back, only thing you got to do is put Pepe right here. Now you want to sell your Pepe, boom, and whatever you want to sell it into. Most of the time I always say put it into a stable coin, USDC, because no matter what, if I sold that $80 worth of Pepe, it would be exactly pretty much that $80 into my account of USDC, because USDC is the United States dollar coin. It stays at dollar format as a peg to the dollar, so it equals 1. All right, so let's say I transferred, like, after some time went by, boom, 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 I put my money into Pepe. Pepe skyrockets, do a 10, 20, 30, 50x to my money. A little hype here, and I'm ready to sell it into the USDC. Now, how do I get it out of crypto format to my bank account? That's really easy. I always tell people just go ahead and make a Coinbase account, because it's the way I use, and it's the easiest to me. So I'm gonna show you how to use it with Coinbase. It's pretty much the exact same way if you had a Robinhood account as well. It's the exact same way. So what you would do is you'll come to your Coinbase account. I have no money and no exchanges. I keep everything on my Metamask because exchanges get hacked. So let's say I wanted to receive some crypto. Boom. It's gonna ask me, what crypto do I want to receive? I want to receive the Pepe that I just sold into USDC. I will get this, your address, USDC, boom, copy the address, awesome. Now, when you do the selling in Uniswap, it automatically happens in your wallet, right? Automatically. Now, let's say I wanted to send that to my Coinbase. First thing I'll do is get up here onto my MetaMask. Boom, we're into MetaMask now, and I will go ahead and click the send my tokens elsewhere. Where do I want to send it? To the address that I just copied right here from Coinbase. I'll put that in. So I am sending I don't have any USDC to send, but I'll click USDC, boom, send it on over to this address and just hit continue, making sure I have Ethereum right here to also pay for the gas fees. Pretty simple. All you got to do is make sure beforehand you go to Coinbase or to your Robinhood and copy the address to send it to. You don't want to send it to the wrong address because your money will just be lost. That's the worst thing about crypto right there. You have to be very, very cautious and very, very specific. So make sure you're not messing up. But that's pretty much it, because once you get it into your Coinbase and it's there, you can withdraw the cash. And that process is pretty self-explanatory. You're just withdrawing, say what bank account you want to put it in. Boom. I have no cash to withdraw, but I will withdraw to choose a method. You can either do bank account, your debit card, which is, very, very fast, and you can use PayPal, wire transfers, doesn't matter. Let's say I wanted to withdraw into my bank account. You see Coinbase use Play to connect your bank account. So your bank account has got to be connected to your Coinbase, and as soon as all that is connected, it'll pretty much the same way Cash App works. You push cash out, you'll pay a little fee, and then the money will ship right there to your bank account or to your debit card. It's faster. It takes like 10 minutes once you really get down with this whole, everything I just showed you is nothing but 10 minutes on your phone. You can have thousands of dollars out of crypto into your bank account just like that. Real simple. So go ahead, get out there, have some fun, and make this money.